questions that I wanna ask, but I can find the reasons why. You always find a small excuse to leave. What's your excuse to make me cry? My love was lost when you came and took it all. My mind says stop, but my heart is screaming out. Don't go, just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. How can I love you when you're not around? How can I let you let me down, down, down? How can I long for you feeling so small? Love should be everything or not at all. My love was lost when you came and took it all. My mind says stop, but my heart is screaming out. Don't go, just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up.
Hello everyone, thanks for joining to the end of the video, and I'm just gonna edit a couple more photos from these shoots. And this one, as you have seen, that I used the Nikon 35 f1.4 lens. So let's get started. I'm gonna increase the contrast a little bit. By the way, the app is RNI Mobile, currently only available in the App Store, the Apple App Store. So if you don't have that operating system, you can use the Visco as I used before. But this app right now is I'm using it very often because it's pretty simple to use, and then it has some nice slightly different frame tones you can use. I'm using the most is the Fuji Superior 200, as you have seen in the previous video. You can adjust the tone. You can see that the background has a little bit of the green leaning for this frame simulation. And you can use Visco before, just if you don't have the iOS operating system. So let me crop it 4:5. So I crop it 4:5 around here, and then save it. Save the camera roll. So the next one I'm gonna use this one, and then use the same edit. If I want more tone in the frame, I can increase the strength, slightly adjust the brightness. You can see that the brightness adjustment right here. And basically they are the same location, so I am editing about 1 minute per photo. Is pretty quick. So let me save that. And as you have seen in the video, I haven't used the IF in this situation because the backlight, sometimes the IF miss the focus. That's why I turn it off, just use the single point so that it is more reliable for that. But for the IAF, the Sony and Canon's R6 is still leading the way, that tracking nicely even in the backlight situation. So for Sony, the IF, because it's been a long time, they already pretty much ahead of the game in terms of the IAF, and Canon R system is catching up. The R6 and is pretty nice improvement in the R6. So Fuji and Nikon still need to improve the firmware or the processor just to make sure it's tracking better and has more sticky. So to my opinion, it needs to stick to the eye. It's more, sometimes a little bit jumpy. So that's my thought on that. And let me save that, save this one, and then let me see which one. So this one is darker. I can increase the light a little bit more, increase the contrast, highlight safe, reduce a little bit more, and then slightly rotate so that it is more perpendicular to the ground, and then expand the cropping so that it is slightly more balanced in the center. Sometimes it might be too bright. You can adjust the lighting here. So that's before and after. So it has added a little bit of film tone to it. It depends on how your feed is going. Sometimes you might not like this one. You can just choose another film simulation just to see what else you can do. And then so let me save 4:5 crop for this one also, and then slightly rotate. Yep, so save at camera roll. So that's a quick run through of some editing photo for this shoot. So thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.